Welcome to ESL English. Today, we are going to be talking about my morning routine. When my alarm goes off in the morning, I am usually a bit slow turning it off. I feel very sleepy first thing in the morning. Once I have had a bit of time to wake up, I like to play around on my phone. I always want to see what has happened on social media, and reply to any messages that I have got. Once I am done on my phone, I go to the washroom so that I can brush my teeth. Brushing my teeth helps me feel more refreshed first thing in the morning. I go to the kitchen to get myself a cup of coffee. My morning has not started until I drink my first cup of coffee. It is an important part of my morning routine. I like to drink my coffee while sitting at the kitchen table. While drinking, I look through the morning paper to find out about all of the current events happening in my city. Now that I am starting to feel more awake, I go into my living room to do some yoga and light stretching. Yoga helps me to feel young and fresh. I use it to make sure that my body moves easily. I also find that it helps calm my mind. Yoga is an important part of my day. Now that I am done exercising, it is time to clean up. I go into the bathroom and take a shower so that I am fresh for the rest of the day. Once I am done my shower, I go over to the sink so that I can brush my hair. If I do not brush my hair, it looks very spiky. Now that I am feeling all fresh and clean, it is time to eat breakfast. I generally eat some cereal for breakfast. On the weekends, I like to have bacon and eggs instead. That is how I get ready each and every morning. What is your morning routine like? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for joining me today while I showed you my morning routine. If you liked this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel to see future videos.